So guys, Saturday morning, ito magme-mekaniko tayo. So 2 weeks after nang binili ko tong Mazda CX-5, i-change oil natin. Pero mamaya, ang gagawin muna natin ngayon is transmission fluid flush. Okay? Basically, drain and fill. Ano ibig sabihin? Tatanggalin natin yung lumang transmission fluid and then papalitan natin ng bagong transmission fluid at 60,000 miles. Bakit? Kasi hindi natin alam kung paano to inalagaan, okay, nung previous life niya, previous owner. And gumagamit ang Mazda CX-5 ng Mazda F7 na transmission fluid, which is very expensive. And ni-research ko, compatible naman tong Valvoline kasama yung yung F7 dito sa mga niya. Tinignan ko yung specs. And para magawa mo yung transmission flush, kailangan mo nito. Okay, hinintay ko pa dumating 3/8 inch. Okay, and then 8mm na socket. Kung wala ka nito, okay lang din. Basta ito yung head para ma-drain mo. Okay, so this is the drain plug and we just broke the lock. Now we can untighten it. Okay, with our fingers. There you go. Let me get the drain pan. Ooh. Guys, ang bilis, ubos agad. So, ang gagawin natin, i-measure natin to. Basically, kung ano yung tinanggal natin, yun yung ibabalik natin. So, ibig sabihin kung 1 gallon, 1 gallon. Pero I think mababa ang fluid level nito. Kasi hindi na puno yung collector. No? So, siguro meron siyang hard shift pag magre-reverse Hopefully, pag na-correct natin to, mawala yung hard shift. To refill the transmission fluid, we need to remove this bolt or nut holding the dipstick down. You cannot see it from the bottom, but you can see it from the top. So this is the dipstick and this is the bolt. I remove the jack stands to really drain it. And I think it's close to level. Na-measure ka na, no? Sabi sa internet, pagka drain and fill, 3.5 to 4 quarts. Eto, nakuha natin mga 3.9 quarts, almost 4 quarts. So, okay lang. Ang problema, yung quality ng fluid, sobrang itim na, June na talaga itong palitan. 60,000 miles pa lang yan. Okay. Okay guys, I use a size 10, size 10 small wrench to remove that. Where's it? Yep, here. The bolt. Now you can remove it by your fingers. Let's see. It's not that bad. There you go. You need to remove this. Now we can remove the dipstick. Guys, natanggal ko na. Ito yung shout out sa kaibigan natin si Roy Di Castro sa California. So ito yung dipstick niya. Yan. Talagang pinahirapan no? Doon talaga nilagay Ito yung dipstick. Diyan na din tayo mag-fill. So isang screw lang umahawak dyan, yung size 10. Yan. Mamaya ko na yan gagalawin. Mamaya na ako mag-fill. So habang nakaangat pa yung Mazda, magtatanggal tayo ng surface rust. So ang hula ko dito, Dapat kasi meron tong ano eh. Meron tong plastic na cover katulad nun, no? Siguro nasira yung plastic cover. Tapos yung talsek. Malamang galing to sa ano. Sa, ayan, surface rust lang naman siya, oh. Tanggalin lang natin yung ano. Tapos pipinturahan ko to. Malamang galing to sa mga ano, cold state o western state. Fill na tayo ng transmission fluid. So para mag-fill ka, kailangan mo ng device na katulad nito. Hose extension para umabot sa baba. Ito lang ginawa ko. I will do my best na hindi magkalat. Okay. You need to do it slowly. Oh, yeah. Okay, see? It goes down slowly. Alright. So, we need to put 4 quarts. Guys, nabalik ko na yung ano, dipstick. Nasara ko na. So, ang gagawin natin, start natin yung engine. I-start natin yung engine, tapos i-move natin yung gear habang nakapark para dumalo yung transmission fluid sa lahat ng gears. Let's start this. Okay. While stepping on the brakes, put it to reverse, neutral, drive, okay, still hard shift on drive, neutral, reverse, park. One more time, reverse, neutral, drive, okay.